In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on LinkedIn in 2025. Whether you're using a new email account or just want to update your existing contact information, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process with ease. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're settled in on your LinkedIn homepage, you want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see a number of options. Among these options, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you'll be directed to a new page that is dedicated to managing different aspects of your LinkedIn account. Here, navigate to the section labeled Security and Privacy. This area is specifically designed for managing your account security details, including your email addresses. Now, look for the Sign In and Security category. In this section, you'll see the Email Addresses option. Click on Email Addresses to proceed. This is where you'll manage your LinkedIn email settings. You'll notice a button to add a new email. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Do this carefully to ensure there are no typos. After inputting your email address, LinkedIn will send a verification code to the email you just entered. Make sure to check your inbox for this code. Once you have your certification code, return to LinkedIn and type it in exactly as it appears in the email. After entering the code, you need to click on Submit to proceed. This step is crucial as it confirms that you have access to the new email address. Next, enter the new email you wish to set as your primary contact. After entering it successfully, you can then click on the option to set it as your primary email. This means that LinkedIn will prioritize this email for all communications. If you have another email already linked to your account, you can choose that email instead. To do this, simply click Make Primary next to the email you prefer. It's important to verify email addresses you want to use before making them primary. You're nearly done. As a security measure, LinkedIn will ask you to enter your account password. This step ensures that you are indeed the account owner making these changes. Once you've filled in your password, click Done and you're all set. Now you've successfully updated your email address on LinkedIn. It's that simple. By keeping your contact information up to date, you ensure seamless communication and secure your account. Feel free to rewind and rewatch if you need any part clarified. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful LinkedIn tips.